So, do you want to feel fulfilled, accomplished, and successful, or do you want to keep feeling stuck, frustrated with where you are right now? So, hey women, welcome back to my channel where we are going to talk about how to chase your dreams, how to tackle your goals, and live the life you have always wanted. So, we are going to talk about something that is going to change the way you look at life, chasing hard things. So, see the video till the end because I am going to share some super cool secrets to get that one thing you always wished but never pursued. So, if you are ready to break free and make real progress, then this video is for you. So, let me tell you that life throws hard things at us, whether it is sticking to a diet, staying consistent with your exercise, or pushing through when you are rejected for a job. So, trust me, avoiding the hard things doesn't make life easier. In fact, it makes it harder. Today, we are going to talk about why you should actively chase the hard things because that's the key to true success and happiness. So, why you must chase the hard things, right? Look, I get it. Hard things feel uncomfortable, and it is really tough to commit to a fitness routine or to be consistent with your diet. It's challenging to study for years and clear a tough entrance exam. It's also tough to start a career coaching business just like I did. Trust me, it's no walk in the park. But here's the reality. Real achievement is doing the hard things, whether it is getting that dream job with the perfect work life balance, or being healthy, or feeling confident about your body. None of that comes easy. Okay, so life is tough, and that's a good thing. The moment you understand that life is a uphill climb, एक ट्रैक की तरह everything becomes easier because when you are ready to tackle the hard stuff, you start to enjoy the journey instead of running away from it. Okay, now let me tell you about something else that's hard. Most of us don't even realize it. It's hard to fail at an interview because you did not plan, you did not strategize, you did not strategize on how to build your personal brand. It's hard to feel unattractive, also unhealthy, also stuck in the mediocrity. It's hard to feel demotivated and always wanting success but never achieving it. It's hard to always ask your husband for money, to feel like a loser when you know deep inside that you are capable of so much more. It's hard to be sick, to be unhealthy, and you know what? It's tough to feel like life is slipping through your fingers. Okay? That's why I am telling you to chase the hard things. Because if you don't, the hard things will chase you down one day. And by then, it might be too late. Too late, guys. So, listen, when you take on something hard, it's always going to feel good the right way. You will feel tired. You will actually stumble. And you will also fail because where growth happens is when you feel like climbing up. So it's exhausting, but when you reach the top, the view is beautiful, incredible. Okay, so being consistent with your diet is tough. Building a career after years of rejection, very tough. But it's even tougher to live a life of regret, to stay stuck in a place where you are not growing. So do something hard every day. Maybe it's applying for that job you think you are not qualified for. Maybe starting that online course you have been putting off. Okay? Because let me tell you, when you actively chase hard things, you will build the resilience to tackle whatever life throws at you. Okay? So now I'm not saying life should not have fun and pleasure. But if all you do is chase the easy, the quick highs, you are heading down a dangerous path. So, constantly chasing instant gratification, whether it is scrolling down the social media and binge watching the OTT and unhealthy habits, that is leading to a life of low motivation, unhappiness, and addiction. So when you avoid the hard stuff, you will find yourself addicted to cheap thrills, constantly needing more to feel the same level of happiness. And trust me, that leads to depression, low self worth, and a sense of failure. So, here's what you need to do. First is prioritize the hard things, whether it is the job hunting, whether it is building a personal brand, or working on your health, or starting that business. Tackle those things head on, and then and only then take a break. Go on that vacation, relax with your favorite book, or enjoy your self time, your time. Okay, but make sure that you have earned it by putting the hard work first. Trust me, the satisfaction you get after overcoming something tough is far better than the temporary pleasure you get from avoiding it. So, woman, my superwoman, life is an uphill climb. The view from the top is beautiful, but you won't get there by avoiding the challenges. So, every day, do something that pushes you, something that makes you uncomfortable, because if you don't, those hard things will catch up with you eventually. So, remember this: if you chase the hard, the rewards will follow. But if you only chase pleasure, you are going to find yourself stuck in the life of regret. So, what's one hard thing you're going to chase today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out the more content I'm building. I am helping you live the life you deserve. So, thank you for watching. Until next time, remember, the harder the climb, the sweeter the success.